We're about, what'd you say, 5 miles from Miami Beach. Traffic is really bad right now.
Hey guys, what up? It's Shannon and John, and we just got back from an amazing trip in northern Sweden at the Ice Hotel, where we saw
Some of the craziest stuff I've ever seen. Makes me thirsty.
We created this video to take you guys along for the ride. We're going to show you touching down over ice, visiting some of the rooms.
Everything is normal, everything is fine.
Some of the fun extra stuff that you can do while you're visiting the Ice Hotel, and our tips and trips to make your trip a success. Hey guys, we just got off the plane in Kiruna, Sweden. Check this out. Just get off the plane, walk into the snow. We have arranged transfer with the Ice Hotel.
In about 15 minutes, we will reach Jukkasjarvi and Ice.
Here we are at the Ice Hotel on the outside here. Check it out, there's the Ice Hotel. And here is the surrounding area. This is a prime example of if you build it, they will come. All right, so here we are inside the Ice Hotel. And it is awesome. Look at this ice chandelier.
Is this an ice coffin?
And the other side of this is the outside.
Oh.
This is one of the beds we're not sleeping on this one, but it'll be like this. Reindeer fur. Oh, they put the snow on the outside. It's like the privacy curtain. Wow. Holy moly. It's King Kong.
What the hell?
Oh, his eyes change. Oh. Everything pales in comparison to King Kong.
King Kong was the highlight.
These triangles are cool or whatever.
Just got a little lost. Am I in space?
It appears that you are. This one's called the Queen of the North and beats King Kong. It's because it's a reference to Game of Thrones. It's like the
No, it doesn't.
the Dementors from Game of Thrones.
The Dementors.
It looks like the
Looks like
the Night King.
Looks like the Emperor from Star Trek. Just here for my business meeting. Just there's a lot of traction on this. I'm a bit of a eccentric, and I can only work on ice, both on the ice as a subject matter and while sitting on ice. And if I have guests, they'll sit right here. This is my chair, though.
And over here we have the Love Shack, baby Love Shack. I'm looking forward to some very uncomfortable and freezing lovemaking later at the Ice Hotel here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Tumble.
Jumbo! What a world we live in for human beings to have accomplished this.
I agree.
We arrived at our room. This is where we'll be enjoying later. An evening of romance. This is reindeer fur. Oh,
it's really warm.
Really warm.
Ooh.
It's also extremely thick.
Wow.
I guess they didn't provide the ice body pillow.
We're at the ice bar in the Ice Hotel, and we just got the drink of the week. Not exactly sure how to even consume this. It's really good. Just the music. Here we're about to eat at the homestead, old homestead.
Alright, so we have just gotten changed here in the lockers at the Ice Hotel, and we are about to go into the hotel made of ice to go to sleep. They've given us a really warm sleeping bag, and they've told us to wear layers, like a thermal bottom with like a fleece type cover and a hat. I'm really excited. Alright, so here is the room where we are going to spend the night. This is a reindeer fur. And this is our enormous sleeping bag that they have provided us with. Let's see how it feels. I would say the bed is a medium firmness. Ooh. I mean, I guess it's okay.
Comfy?
Yeah, it's somewhat comfy.
Great.
It's warm enough. It's a little bit cold. It's warm enough though.
It'll be warm when I get
I think once you get in, it's gonna be really warm. I would say this is quite pleasurable. This is fine. I could do this again. I never will because it's too expensive, but I could. And you should. Recommended so far.
Oh my, this is cozy. Oh. It's freezing. It's really cold. I thought it'd be warmer. What? Wait, how do you keep the heat in?
I don't know.
I think you have to put your head under this thing. We're missing that component. You can't just like lay out. You put your head under this, like this.
All right.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta get your whole thing under here. You gotta do like one of these.
Okay.
Oh, for sure you gotta do one of these.
All right.
Am I having fun? Am I in there yet? Is this how it's supposed to go? I've slept in cold. I've honestly slept in colder temperatures before.
We're gonna hit the hay to the extent possible here in the ice hotel bed. Just another average night here.
Everything is normal. Everything is fine. Actually, this is very fun.
This is very fun.
This is very fun.
This is a cool experience.
Yeah, I'm having a great time.
I'm having a great time too. All right, good night, you guys. We'll let you know. Just mouth, don't come here.
No.
I recommend it.
Actually, this is very fun.
This is really, really fun. All right, you guys. So we will let you know in the morning how our evening sleep here was. It's already pretty toasty.
We've just awoken here at Ice Hotel.
We've literally just awoken.
We're enjoying warm lingonberry juice.
We've been awoken to a good morning
Good morning.
or something along those lines. It was hard to hear through all the ice.
It's more of a scream. Ooh. How did you sleep?
I'm not gonna lie. I was warm, but I was just kind of tossing and turning. I think just due to my proximity to you. I know, and I mean just your warmth and like the like tightness of the sleeping bag. I think if I could do it again, I would probably do an individual sleeping bag. As fun it was being bundled up.
I've had more restful sleeps, but I wasn't an unrestful sleep.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it was fine. I woke up a number of times because my face was cold. But
My face was a little bit cold.
But I would definitely do it again. It was fun. Alright, so here we are. We're about to go on a dog sled ride. And you can hear the dogs are ready to go. They seem to be very interested in either those children or that tractor.
I don't even want to know how to do it.
Yeah.
But this is all on individual effort. And some dogs... Dogs which are 13 years old and one dog which is 14. And
Hey guys, we have just finished our dog sledding experience and it was so awesome. Did you have fun?
Cool. Yeah, it was awesome.
What was your favorite part?
Just being on the sled.
It was just cool.
Actually, the dogs are really cool too. They're really nice.
Yeah, the dogs were really nice. They're really fun.
I made a friend.
It felt like they were just really doing what they loved. And I was like thinking about whether or not I would feel like if they were like being like exploited or whatever, but it felt like the guy had like a really close relationship with the dogs and there was a lot of love and trust. I don't know, it just felt really awesome. And now we are enjoying the lunch option for the buffet at the Ice Hotel, and it has so many great vegan veggie options. There's some lentils there.
Lentils.
Potatoes. Look at
Rice.
this salad with all these different types of cabbage. This carrot and ginger soup. Lentils. Now we are walking down the road about 900 meters to go to
Almost 1 kilometer.
to go to the Sami Museum. The Sami was the indigenous people to this area, and we are looking forward to learning more about their culture and potentially meeting some reindeer. Give me a little bit to take over to the other one.
Got it. We're just warming ourselves by the fire here in the Sami Museum, having some tea and some soup.
Here we are for the first time cross-country skiing. What are your thoughts?
Slightly terrifying, sort of fun. Just got back from seeing the the northern lights outside. It's about 0 Fahrenheit here, so it's quite cold, and it was really awesome. They just were throughout the whole sky. I think the surprising thing was for their how they were everywhere. It wasn't like a little part of the sky. It was like they were extending from like horizon to horizon, and they kind of moved in waves. They weren't as bright as you see on pictures, because a lot of the pictures have like really long exposure times, and we took some pictures with long exposure times, and it was really hard to take because they were like 15-second exposure times, and also my hands were freezing, and also we didn't have a tripod.
Yeah. Cool.
We got some pictures that show the northern lights, but are so bad that, as you were saying, could not have been taken by a professional photographer, thus proving that we ourselves took them. So, anyways,
no, it was cool.
yeah, we're just warming up because it's really
I don't think
cold
I've ever been this cold before. Hey guys, we are at the airport. We're leaving Kiruna. We're on our way back to Stockholm. And last question, would you recommend it?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was awesome. It was 100%
We had a great time.
once in a lifetime, great experience. Totally recommend. See you next time.